from Goa. And who was the first native Latin Rite bishop from whole of India? It is none other than Dom Mateus de Castro from Goa. So Dom Mateus de Castro was born in the year 1594 and he was a native of Diwar Island, Goa. He was the first Indian bishop of the Catholic Church. He wanted to become a priest, but during that time, because of some issues with especially to the new Christians, admitting the new Christians to the priesthood, he was denied the permission in Goa. So he went to Rome with the company of some Carmelite priest and he was introduced to Francisco Ignoli, the dynamic secretary of the newly established Propaganda Fide. He was consecrated a priest and then he was consecrated also as Bishop of Chrysopolis in Rome by the Vatican. And he was also appointed as the Vicar Apostolic to the kingdoms of Bijapur, Golconda, Abyssinia and Pegu. So he was held in great esteem, especially at the courts of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Not just that, he was one of the earliest freedom fighter from Goa. We can say that because in 1654, during that time, he conspired with the Adil Shahs of Bijapur to drive out Portuguese from Goa and to liberate his land from the Portuguese rule. May God bless his soul. Now we will say a prayer for his soul. Eternal rest grant unto his soul, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon him. May his soul rest in peace. Amen.